This is a review on the Prowood Custom graphic deck. I received it about a week and a day. It took them about a week to ship it out. This is it right there. The camera sucks, it's not gonna focus, but it says my name like right across there, and it's a picture of me like holding my arms up. I don't know, it's just a picture of me. The yellow G60s and chrome trucks from Prowood. So the Prowood chrome trucks. Great deck. This is the extreme mold, 30mm extra wide as they call it. It's the pop is awesome, massive pop. I don't know if you can hear that. It's awesome. Great shape. There's no defects in any of the mold. I believe this kick right back here is actually shorter. I don't know if you can tell there, but I think it is. But I also did whenever I applied the grip tape, I took the Pro Tape sticker. You can't see it, it's too blurry, but Pro Tape sticker, and I cut it out to put it underneath where I cut the grip tape. But the concave's great. Can't really show it to you. I mean, I can try, but it ain't gonna do nothing with the super thin tape on. But holes are drilled perfectly. Oh man, it's awesome. I love this graphic. They'll do any graphic you send to them. It's awesome. They're a super legit company, amazing company. They work so hard on their products. It's awesome. Their trucks, actually the kingpins on them, there aren't none. Well, there's kingpins, but like they push them up far enough in it to where they don't show whenever you're putting them onto the truck. The deck does have holes in it for kingpins, and it's perfectly drilled. It's awesome. This is extreme molds, like I said earlier. So like, I believe high kicks and deep concave. I love it. It feels amazing. It's one of the best boards I've rode so far. I want to try out Maplewood though, maybe, hopefully. But yeah, that's the deck and that's the graphic. It came in just a bubble mailer. Prowood Fingerboards. Oh, I can just show you the sticker. Prowood. I don't know if you can see it. You know, average bubble mailer. You know what they look like. I don't really have to go into detail on that. And yeah, that's Prowood Custom Graphic and Pro Trucks review. They work awesome. They spend so much time on their products, working on them and getting them perfect. The decks they make are amazing. I'm telling you right now, guys, go get an extreme mold. It's my favorite mold so far that I've ever ridden or rode, I guess. But yeah, Prowood, go get some.